So there are three skills actually that you acquire when you become more emotionally intelligent. The first is becoming aware of your own emotions, but not just emotions in general. Just to be able to know yourself, this ability to identify, distinct qualities of yourself, including your emotions, right, is one thing that you will get by becoming more emotionally intelligent. You also become more in tune with the ability or able to regulate those emotions. So it's not just the knowledge of those emotions or the awareness of them, but also the ability to harness those emotions and then use them effectively, because certain emotions absolutely have utility. I mean, that's why we have them, right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with a range of emotions, and each of them are useful in the right time, in the right context. And so what learning about emotional intelligence does is it gives you that ability to know when to use those emotions, how, when effectively. And so that's regulation. And then management. So now that you have, this knowledge of awareness and regulation, you also need to know how to manage your own emotions, but the emotions of others too, because you're going to have people in your life, right? That, I mean, we all do, family members, coworkers, neighbors, people of all different community members, backgrounds that are different than us. And if we don't know how to manage those types of emotions or other people's emotions, it will impact our own states. And this is why you see a lot of people just not being able to do this, whether they're new parents and they're feeling overwhelmed with the demands of their, an infant, or a person, thrown into a new work situation or a new school environment. And there's just too many personality types, too many, different people that they don't know how to, to work with. And so what happens is, they shut down. And so this is what emotional intelligence offers you. It offers you this ability to, again, be aware, to regulate, and then to manage. So the simple acronym that you can remember from this is ARM. And think of it like a strength, right? Because this is a tool, and there's a lot of great tools out there. But this particular tool, you want to think of it as a tool that strengthens you. If to associate it with your arm, kind of like you're working out, this muscle is a good way to remember that this is what your objective is when learning about emotional intelligence, right? You want to get really strong.